Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Kajabi, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you create a course on Kajabi? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is actually going to be a quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, if you're just signing up for Kajabi, be sure to check my video description for my referral link, and that way you get the most recent discount code or promotion they're running right now. But why would you want to set up a course in Kajabi? Well, that's pretty easy. Kajabi is a popular way to sell various online products, including courses, and they have a lot of features that make it really easy to get it up and running quickly. In fact, we can go ahead and probably set up this course in about 10 minutes. So first, you're going to need to go to the Kajabi website. It's kajabi.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. Now, you can do this on the desktop or a mobile. I'm going to go ahead and create my course on Kajabi with a mobile just because it's easier to film. So once you're here and logged into your Kajabi account, this is the home screen here. And what you're going to do to create a course in Kajabi is click on this hamburger menu here on the top left. It's these three horizontal lines. Okay, once you do that, the create course section in Kajabi is here on products. It has a little cube next to it. Okay, once you click there, you will see any kind of courses that you already have on Kajabi. However, today we're going to go ahead and set up a new course on Kajabi. So you want to click on this black new product button. Now, if you don't have a course, this is the screen that you would have seen. You wouldn't have seen the different courses, obviously, if you haven't set one up yet. So Kajabi has a lot of different products available, but today we are creating a course. So you want to go ahead and choose this blue button, course, and then scroll down and click on get started. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Kajabi has AI built into their course creation. So basically with their AI, it's going to outline and then sometimes auto-populate some of your course details. So you want to be sure to put in a good title and then also a good brief description. And that way it informs their AI the best way to outline and fill in your course details. Now, you don't need to use this feature. You can actually turn it off right here, but I would highly recommend it just because it's going to help you frame out your course much quicker. And then that way you can get it to market much quicker. However, if someone else is setting up your course for you, you can go ahead and turn this feature off. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter in a title. Okay, so I'm going to set up a Roblox course just for the purpose of this video. So I put in a good long title, and that way it lets the AI know what this is about. Roblox, how to set up and start playing for complete beginners. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and enter in a good description as well. Okay, so here is the description that I put in. And again, basically AI is going to read this and use this as instructions to go ahead and outline your course. I put here how to set up Roblox account and the basics of playing Roblox, the video game, with basic tips about designing your Roblox character. And I'll put for beginners. Okay, once you set that up, go ahead and click on this continue button. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and customize your course's appearance. So this image that you upload here will be used through checkout and throughout the entire member experience. So let me go ahead and add in an image. Okay, so I added a related image. I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Okay, so here is the image. It's related to my course that I'm designing through Kajabi. And I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and set up the price of your course. This price will be used on your landing page that will automatically be set up by Kajabi. You can do a paid or a free, it's up to you. And you can also set this up later by clicking skip for now if you need to think about the price. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose the price, and we're going to do a one-time fee. You can also set up a subscription and a multi-pay if you want. And then we can go ahead and do the price. Let's just say $12. Okay, we got the price set up. And then also, I've never used this feature, but supposedly when you click there, your customers have the option of go ahead and they can pay whatever it is they want, kind of like a tip jar. I don't really do that. That doesn't apply to any of my courses, so I've never used that. And then here you will select your payment providers. With Kajabi, you can use either Stripe or PayPal. I've only set up Stripe, so I'm going to go ahead and click there, and then I'll choose Stripe. And now we have set up the price for our course on Kajabi. So I'm going to click save and finish. Okay, so now it's processing. It's outlining my course right now. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So it has already outlined my course, and it came up with 3 modules. And a module is kind of like a chapter. And inside those chapters, they have different lessons. So we can go ahead and expand all. And then as you see, there's this module, settings, or setting up your Roblox account. And you can go ahead and edit that. You can maybe add setting up your Roblox account today. You can go ahead and add an image for that specific module, and then click save. And then inside of each module, there are lessons. And here's one lesson. We'll click on the paper icon, and then we see the first lesson is logging in. And then again, you can go ahead and edit that as well. We do editing, logging into Roblox. And then this is pretty cool also. So when you scroll down, if you have a video tutorial about that specific topic, you can go ahead and add it in there, or an audio file. And then if you look here, it looks like AI has already designed and written out this first lesson. So obviously this is going to be a good framework, but you want to definitely proofread it and then tweak it to the most recent information or something that applies directly to your course. But as you can see, it's pretty good. I mean, this was written by a computer. So to create an account, you need to go to the website and click sign up button. So you want to verify all this information is correct for your course, because you don't want to put a course out that's incorrect. And then if you scroll down, you can can add a download. So if you have some sort of a PDF ebook, you can go ahead and add that into the lesson. And then if you scroll down, this is only in draft, but if you're already set it up and it looks good, you can go ahead and publish it by clicking on that button. And then same thing, you can go ahead and add a thumbnail for that specific lesson inside the module. And you can have a different thumbnail for each and every lesson. And down here, you can go ahead and allow people to make comments on your lesson if you want to do that. If not, you can go ahead and turn that off. And then we're going to scroll up, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click on the save button. Okay, so now that lesson has saved. So let me go back. All right, so here we are back in the course with the different modules. So you'll need to go through these one by one. Now, if you see one that doesn't apply to your course in Kajabi, you can easily delete it by clicking on this little paper icon, and then you can go ahead and delete that lesson. Now, they do give you this pop-up letting you know once you delete it, it's gone forever. So make sure it is something you want to delete, and then we're going to go ahead and delete that. And as you can see in this particular module, there's only 2 lessons now. There used to be 3. Now, if you want to preview what your course looks like, you can just scroll up and then you can click on this little eyeball icon, and then this is what the course is going to look like. So it may not be what you want it to look like, so you can actually edit your course. Let me jump back over to the Kajabi course. Okay, so you can go ahead and scroll to the top, and then you're going to see this button here, customize. Go ahead and click there, and then in this section, you can go ahead and change the template. So here, it's automatically set up on Premier product, but you can install a template, and then as you can see, they just have a lot of different templates that you can change around. So just look for one that applies most to your course in Kajabi, and then you would just go ahead and click on it and install that template. For me, the Premier works fine, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. All right, here we are back in the course. So you need to make sure that your course is published once you're ready to, and what you're going to do is go ahead and just click on the little paper icon and then just start publishing all of the apply. So as you can see, they start to turn green, and then you can also add more courses and lessons. So you would just click on add content here at the top, and then you choose what you want to add in. So once your course is set up, no one knows that it exists. You do need to set up a landing page for your course, and where that's going to be handled is here in offers right here. Okay, so Kajabi calls the landing page an offer, and then with the AI that we looked at earlier, they've already set up an offer. So we can just scroll down, and then you can go ahead and click on the offer, and then we can edit it how we see fit. Okay, so it lets me know that we only have one product in this offer, and then you can go ahead and add more products in. So if we did a Roblox, and let's say we did a Minecraft, we can add that all into one offer if we want to do so. And then you can go ahead and set up when you want this offer to become available on a specific date or a specific amount of time. And then if we scroll down, you can choose where your customers are going to go immediately after they make their payment. Usually you're going to go to your members product library, and that way they can go ahead and start their courses, but you can change that around to a thank you page if you want to do so. And then you want to scroll down, and then you can go ahead and set up your custom emails. So if you have some sort of an email sequence after they purchase, so if they bought this one for $12, but you want to try to upsell them to your other course, which is $500, you can go ahead and set up that email course right here. And then if you want to scroll down, you want to make sure that your offer is published. If it's not, click it right here where it says publish and it's in green. And then down at the bottom, you can go ahead and edit the price as well. We set it up for $12, but you can go ahead and change that around here. Let me jump back. Okay, so now this offer is published. It's ready to go, but it's not going to look good. So we can actually just get the link by clicking right here. And then we're going to go ahead and copy the link. Let me show you what my course landing page looks like right now. Okay, so here is my Kajabi course landing page or sales page. If you look at it, it's really generic. So it doesn't have an image here. It shows the price and it shows the purchase button right here. But if you scroll down, it shows the title of my course, but it has this kind of generic stock wording, insert call to action. So this you will want to edit. And let me show you how to do that. I'm going to jump back over to my offers in Kajabi. Okay, so here we are. Again, we are here in the offers or the landing page that we just set up. So what you're going to want to do to edit this landing page and customize it, you want to scroll to the top and click on this button here called edit checkout. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and edit different functions of your landing page to sell your course on Kajabi. So what we're going to do is go through these one by one when you're editing it, because all of them are going to have different features. So here on the page content, you can see here's the offer title, but here is that generic wording. So you can go ahead and maybe delete this and then add in something relevant. And if you're having trouble coming up with the sales page, there are a lot of copywriters on Fiverr and Upwork. They can help you with this. And you can also use ChatGPT to write a sales offer for you. And then here you can go ahead and type in something relevant. And then if you want to scroll down, you can add a video into your sales page. So like maybe if you have testimonials of people who have purchased your course, you can go ahead and change the hero image. That's going to be the small image on top of the banner image. And then you can go ahead and add in testimonials here of people who have purchased your course. And obviously that's not going to increase your sales 0 to 100, but it does put a little bit more pressure on your customers to buy your course. And then you want to click on save, and then we'll go back, and then you can go on design, and we can change the banner image. Okay, so I'm going to upload a banner image, and we can go ahead and change the banner height, and then you can add a logo in if you want. And then we'll click save, and then go back. back. You can add form fields. It's automatically going to have their email and their credit card, but you can add in their name, address, and phone number if you want, and then click save and go back, and then these other functions to customize it. So now we have edited our landing page or our sales page for our course in Kajabi, and then let me click on preview. Okay, so now you can see it has been changed a little bit. I'm just rushing through this. You'll want to take your time to go ahead and write out something convincing so that way you can increase your sales. And then as you see, it's asking for the name, address, city, state, all of that information, because that is what we customized our landing page as. So that looks pretty good. And then what you're going to do is just go back to your Kajabi dashboard. Okay, so here we are back in the offers, and then all we're going to do is just scroll down, and then we'll get the link once again. Yeah, I copy the link, and now we can go ahead and share it in Facebook, on our website, or social media, or however we normally try to sell our Kajabi courses. Now, if you're having trouble finding where the offers are, it's going to be here on this hamburger menu, and then on the hamburger menu, click on sales, and then here is where you're going to see all of the different offers, and you can go ahead and edit those. This is the one we just set up right now, Roblox, how to set up and start playing for complete beginners. So that's pretty easy. We basically set up a course in about 10 minutes. We got our landing page for Kajabi, and we set it up with the price, and we have a link that we can send our traffic to the landing page, and that way folks can start buying our courses. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a course in Kajabi, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.